Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make your Android phone easier for seniors to use. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so for this to happen, we need to play around with some settings. So go ahead and click onto settings. Then from here, we want to go ahead and scroll down and click onto display. Now, once you're inside display, we need to scroll down and look for an option called easy mode. So easy mode makes text on screen items appear larger. So it also increases touch and hold delay to prevent accidental actions and provides a high contrast keyboard for better readability. Now, from here, we need to go ahead and enable it like so. And then you can see here, the text is a little bit bolder. It's a bit brighter as well. Now we can play around with some settings here too. So we've got the touch and hold delay. So we can change this too. So set how long it takes for continuous touch to be recognized as a touch and hold. This doesn't affect the keyboard. So you can go from very short to long or custom. And you can try that out. Also, we've got high contrast keyboard, so black letters on yellow keypad. We can enable, disable that. And also we can play around with the font size, screen timeout, answering ending calls, home screen settings. Go by these one by one and just adjust it to your recommendations or what you think it's going to be easier for seniors to use.